During our day in China, we visited the Yangtze River. The Yangtze River is the largest in China and the third longest in the world. Most of China uses the Yangtze River's water. However, the Yangtze River is very polluted as a result of industrial waste. And pollution in the Yangtze River also causes problems for China's fishermen. After the Yangtze River, we visited Beijing. We got to see many modern buildings, but something that bothered us in Beijing was air pollution. It was very hard to breathe. The causes of all this air pollution was probably the overuse of fossil fuels and the large population of China. Buddhism is the major religion in China. In a Buddhist temple in Beijing, we learned that Buddhism was founded by Siddhartha Gautama, who was an Indian prince. The monk is the spiritual leader in Buddhism. Buddhism is based on the Four Noble Truths and is the fourth largest religion in the world. While we were in the Buddhist temple, we saw that all the men in the Buddhist temple had orange robes and bald heads. We were not, however, allowed to go inside the Buddhist temple as the Buddhist monks was in prayer. After visiting the Buddhist temple, we visited a museum in China that gives information about China's past. We learned that the former leader of China was a man named Mao Zedong. Zedong was a very harsh dictator. He did not allow the people of his own country to follow the religion of their choice. Instead, he gave them something called the Little Red Book, which they were supposed to take everywhere they went. The Little Red Book enforced all his beliefs and rules. If someone was found without this Little Red Book in their possession, they could be killed or jailed. Protests were held because of the way Zedong took care of China, but the most famous protest took place on June 3rd and 4th, 1989 in Tiananmen Square. The protest was held by college students. During the protest, so many people died that there is not an accurate death toll of how many people died on that horrific day.